You know, I love Suunto watches, but every time I purchase one, they seem to come with some challenges. Just learning hurdles to get over to the next thing. Maybe it's like trying to figure out how to log your activities, or maybe it's just like where to find good information on the internet to do the functionality that you want to do. Maybe it's even like playing music through your headphones from the watch. I had a heck of a time finding that one. So I've created these specific videos to help you understand how to use your Suunto 7. So let's jump right in. Hey, I'm John from johnlagordia.com. Thanks for joining me today. I'm here to help adventurers choose gear that will actually last. On this channel, sometimes I do outdoor gear reviews, from everything from tents to photography gear that you can use in the outdoors. I also do tutorials, how to use your camera, how to take better pictures, how to do better editing. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Thanks, it means the world to me. All right, let's jump on in. So here we have the amazing Suunto 7. And in a couple minutes or less, I'm going to give you a pro tip on how to use the Google Assistant. Simply tap on your watch to wake it up, then swipe from left to right. Then you can scroll up to see all the different options. If you'd like to set an alarm, you just tap set an alarm. Swipe right to get rid of that, and swipe right again to have the menu come back up. From there, you can tap on the microphone button and then ask Google Assistant your question. What time is sunset tonight? Tells me exactly what time sunset is. Very easy and quick to use. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you need more pro tips on how to use your Suunto 7, just click the card above. We'll see you in the next video.